So here we're subtracting mixed numbers, and when we subtract mixed numbers, we always subtract the fraction first, then we subtract the whole number, and you'll see why we do that in the next lesson. But let's start by subtracting the fractions. We have 5/8 minus 1/8. So we have a common denominator, and the denominator stays the same in our answer. Now we can subtract the numerator, and 5 minus 1 is 4. Now finally, we can subtract the whole number, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So our answer is 2 4/8. Now we have 2 5/6 minus 1 1/6. So we start by subtracting the fraction. We have a common denominator, so the denominator stays the same in our answer, and 5 minus 1 is 4. Now we subtract our whole number, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 1 4/6. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.